For those who are drawn to spiritual exploration and growth, Shattuckite can be a powerful tool in your arsenal. Shattuckite encourages self-reflection and inner growth by helping us look inward to uncover our true feelings and desires while providing courage and confidence to take action on them. Shattuckite can also be used to enhance communication with the spirit world, such as connecting with angels, ancestors, and other divine beings. It can also help protect against psychic attack and clear away any negative energies that might be lingering in your aura. Use the stone to aid in your spiritual journey and provide you guidance, clarity, and protection. Meditating with Shattuckite allows you to access higher wisdom and guidance more easily. Shattuckite also helps with developing psychic abilities, intuition, and accessing spiritual realms. It assists in creating a stronger connection to the divine, helping you to recognize and utilize your intuitive gifts while maintaining a sense of faith and trust in your higher powers. When meditating with this stone, focus on your intention and let the healing energy of Shattuckite fill your body and mind. Using Shattuckite regularly can help shift your mindset towards a higher vibration or frequency that allows you to connect better with the divine. Wearing Shattuckite jewelry can bring forth a sense of inner peace, balance, and clarity, and can help soothe and calm the mind. Shattuckite has been known to heighten intuition, stimulate psychic abilities, and enhance communication, making it an ideal choice for those who are seeking to strengthen their spiritual connections. Carry a Shattuckite tumbled stone with you throughout the day when you need a little extra boost of spiritual energy. This stone can help keep you centered and grounded even when the world around you is chaotic. It can also help bring clarity to your thoughts, allowing for better decision making. This stone is perfect for anyone who needs to guide others to the truth, whether you're a writer, a teacher, scientist, minister, lawyer, or any other profession that involves helping guide others to the right path. Shattuckite is a stone of truth that can help you accurately assist yourself and the world around you. It can also help you manifest your desires by finding the right words for spoken affirmations and action. Placing Shattuckite in your personal space can help you create a positive and calming atmosphere, as well as open yourself up to higher vibrations for spiritual growth. Place Shattuckite in the bedroom or under your pillow to aid in lucid dreaming as well as past life recalling. It can help you access the Akashic records, allowing you to see patterns or cycles in your life and gain insight into how your past influences your present. Cleansing. Shattuckite is a rather fragile stone, as we know from the Mohs hardness scales. It grades as a 3.5. So smoke cleansing or full moon cleansing are your best options to cleanse your Shattuckite. You can also use a selenite slab or plates to cleanse your Shattuckite as well.